The Last Precinct is an American sitcom that aired on NBC from January 26 to May 30, 1986 on Friday nights at 9 p.m. The series stars Adam West as Captain Rick Wright, leading a group of misfit police academy rejects. The pilot for the Stephen J. Cannell series debuted after Super Bowl 20 in 1986, but the show was cancelled within 2 months of its April premiere. This was the only sitcom from Stephen J. Cannell Productions. Plot: an odd mix of cops, including a transsexual and an Elvis impersonator, are given one final opportunity to distinguish themselves in the field of law enforcement when they are assigned to the 56th Precinct, Las City's and most woebegone unit. Under the leadership of Captain Rick Wright, these losers in blue attempt possible redemption if they can make an arrest without killing themselves. Cast, episodes, references, external links. The Last Precinct pilot at the Internet Movie Database. The Last Precinct series at the Internet Movie Database.